So what's up everyone? My name is JB Makobo, and for today's video I present my poster about sexual education. So, this poster about sexual education, the importance of awareness, knowledge, and understanding regarding human sexuality. At the top, the bold text, sexual education highlights the main theme, encouraging open discussion about a topic that often is considered sensitive. The warm colors and friendly design suggest that sexual education should not be viewed with shame or fear, but as a natural and important part of life that everyone should learn about. The poster include such as the condom, no sperm symbol, heart, and gender symbol represent different aspects of sexual education. The condom symbolizes protection and the importance of safe sex to prevent unwanted pregnancies and sexually transmitted infection or STIs. The no sperm icon indicate contraception and the choice of individuals to control when and if they want to have children. These symbols help communicate the value of being informed and responsible. The heart icon in the poster reflect that sexual education is not only about the physical aspect of sex but also about emotional and relational well-being. It teaches young people the importance of love, respect, and consent in relationships. Healthy relationships are built on trust and understanding, and sexual education provides the tools of establish those foundations. The group of young people at the bottom of the poster shows diversity and unity. It represents that sexual education is for everyone regardless of gender, race, or background. This poster encourages inclusivity and shows that everyone has the right of accurate information about their bodies, health, and choice. It also reminds us that learning about sexual education helps young people grow into confident and responsible adults. The lip symbol may represent communication and expression, reminding us that discussing topics about sex should be open and judgment-free. Communication is key to understanding consent, setting boundaries, and avoid misinformation. By promoting conversations, sexual education breaks the stigma and helps young people make better decisions about their health and relationships. So, in conclusion, this poster sends a powerful message. Sexual education is essential for person growth, health, and safety. It encourages people to inform, respectful, and responsible in their actions. Through education, awareness, and open discussion, society can reduce risk, prevent and early pregnancies, and promote healthy relationships built on trust, respect, and love. So that's all. Thank you. So once again, I am JB Makobo. Thank you for watching.